Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are from usethebitcoin.com, and today someone has sent us a coin to review and to analyze. All right, now we are going to check this coin called Starknet. Okay, now if you're going to check its chart, okay, I can clearly see that it's not good for investing. Okay, on its day one, all right, check this out. It started at around $0.20, okay, and then pumped to around $7. Okay, let's measure that. All right, so that's roughly around 3,600%. Okay, so that's too much, all right? But within the day as well, it dumped from around $7 to around $1. Okay, a classic pump and dump move. Okay, but after several days, we could see that it was really struggling to recover. Okay, it remained low. And now, that type of move could easily destroy the trust of potential investors. All right. Now, if we are going to put a trend line here, okay, so you can see that we are still in a bear trend. Okay. There's nothing really interesting about this coin. So I would easily pass this and look for a better one. Okay. And the only time that it will be attractive for me is when it breaks out of its downtrend here. Okay. So let's plot it. All right. And it should move or stay above the support levels here. Okay. So let's draw a rectangle. Okay. Now it should stay above this level. Okay. And maybe, all right, maybe during that time, I would consider buying it. Okay. But for now, there's really nothing more interesting about it. Okay. And if we are also going to check its news, all right, as you can see, we almost have no updates about it. People are not really paying too much attention about it. So, yeah, it's quite hard to expect too much about this coin because only few people are also interested about it. Okay. So that would be all for now. If you have some coins that you want me to check, or if you have some coin request, okay, please leave a comment here and we will discuss its potential. All right. So that will be all for now. Talk to you guys next time, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our newsletter because we will be sending you the latest updates in your inbox. Okay. The link is in the description. Okay. So be sure to check that out. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.